Did you know that DesignBuilder isn't just for energy modeling? It also includes a built-in CFD engine that helps you simulate how airflow inside your buildings. CFD stands for Computational Fluid Dynamics. It shows where the air goes, how fast it moves, and how hot or cold it is in every part of the space. This helps you identify hot and cold spots, fix poor ventilation, and improve thermal comfort. Here's one of the CFD simulations I did using DesignBuilder. As you can see, the airflow pattern and temperature distribution are super clear. This makes it easy to optimize HVAC design before anything is built. I use these tools to test different HVAC setups, ensure people feel comfortable, and support certification like LEED or ASHRAE 55 compliance. It's powerful, easy to use, and helps you make a smarter design decision. If you want to improve indoor comfort and design better building, start using CFD.